Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today a 2020 Ram 2500 Bighorn. This vehicle features a 6.4-liter V8 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive. There have been no accidents or damages reported to CARFAX, and this vehicle has had two previous owners. As we get closer to the front of this vehicle, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek Delmonico Red Pearlcoat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille, as well as down around those tow hooks and fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side and take a look at this pickup's tires and wheels. This vehicle features black 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a significant amount of life left in them, but I'll get to those exact measurements in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter. So you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Here on the outside of your mirror caps, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those. And on the inside, you do have a blind spot indicator that will light up if anybody's in your blind spot, helping you to drive just a little bit safer. These mirrors are also heated, which will help to prevent them from fogging up, as well as to help de-ice them in inclement weather. And all along the bottom of this pickup, you do have those black running boards to help you get in and out with ease. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this vehicle. Here on the inside of the vehicle, you do have a lovely charcoal colored cloth upholstery on the seats for a smooth and comfortable ride, as well as some lovely light gray stitching to really accent that. Like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard, and while we're looking over here, we'll just take a look in the glove box and bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. As you'll be able to see here on this inspection form, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 11 30-seconds in both your front tires and 14 30-seconds in both your rear tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 13 30-seconds in the front and 15 30-seconds in the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. You also have the original owner's manual with the purchase of this vehicle, so if you have any questions about it after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. I'll now just close the door and we'll continue around to take a look at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see, this vehicle does seat a total of 5 people, but if you seat 4 or less, this middle seat does fold down to become an additional armrest with 2 cup holders in it. You also have 2 cup holders here, a small storage space here, and 2 more cup holders down there by the legs. You also have pockets on the backs of both of those front seats for these rear occupants. Down on the floor, you do have all-weather floor mats to help keep your floors nice and clean. And we'll take a look over here at the door, because in all of these doors, you do have several storage spaces, as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue to make our way around now to the rear of this pickup. And I would like to mention that this pickup does have an anti-spin differential rear axle. All along the bottom of the bumper here, you might notice several little dots. Those are your rear proximity sensors, and they will let you know if there's anything behind you whenever you're backing up or parking. And you also have a backup camera to go along with that. And as you may have already noticed, you do have a pre-installed tow bar for a trailer hitch hookup, as well as a spare tire if you're ever in a pinch. One last thing before we take a look in the bed is over here to the left side. You do have a step that folds in and out to help you get easy access inside. I'll now just put this tailgate down so we can see how much space you have in the bed. Alright, as you'll be able to see, this 3/4 ton pickup does have a bed that's about 6.5 feet, so you've got plenty of space back here to haul some really nice loads. You also have a spray-in bed liner with this pickup, which will help to absorb any of those scratches or nicks the loads might give the bed. You also have a soft rollover cover to help protect whatever you put in that bed from the elements. And I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience and to help prevent you from ever getting locked out, and both of them do come with remote start as well. This pickup does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks. And as for your seating adjustments, you do have 8-way powered seating adjustments, so you can move the seats forward, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2-directional lumbar support. You also have a tilting steering wheel that you can move up and down to fit you as you like, and you also have adjustable foot pedals as well. And to the left of that, you just have your headlight controls as well as your dashboard backlight controls. I'll now just get in this pickup and turn it on for you. This pickup is a push-to start. now that the engine's running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see this vehicle has about 49,518 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the left side of the steering wheel, because over here is your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these, you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you. And right above those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have hands-free Bluetooth. And then on the right side of the steering wheel are your cruise control buttons. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have a lovely touchscreen LCD display. And I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. Above that display, you do have a small space as well as a power outlet. And underneath it, you do have your volume knob here and your climate control settings there. A bit farther down, this pickup does have an integrated trailer braking controller, dual haul mode switch, and then your traction control switch, which helps to prevent skidding and sliding. To the left of that, you do have an electronic gear shift and your four-wheel drive shift. Further down, you've got USB charging ports and an aux cord plug-in, 2 cup holders. This does move forward and backward, and then access here in the rear for your main storage compartment with a divider that does go up and down. And lastly, you do have a built-in garage door opener up here on the ceiling. We'll now move on to the last section of this video. Here in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so we'll be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, so we want to be as straightforward and transparent as we can be with the purchasing process. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of this vehicle, nothing is really standing out to me. So we'll move along to take a look to the outside of it. We'll be looking up and down again for any of those imperfections, starting by coming along here to the front. Here along the front, you do have several stone chips and scratches from whenever this vehicle met along the road as it was driving. And we did touch it up, but those marks are still there. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent getting it is just by not driving your vehicle. We'll come along here now to the passenger side. You've got a few more of those, probably spun up by those wheels. You've got some scuffs here on the outside of that mirror cap on the black plastic. And some small scratches there in that rear passenger side door. Some small scratches back here as well. And we'll continue around here now to the rear. Now often on pickups where I do tend to see several scratches and nicks is on the top of the tailgate, and people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. But that is not the case for this pickup. I don't notice any of those imperfections up here. You do have a little bit of that scuffing happening in the bed, but that spray and bed liner is doing a good job of removing a lot of those nicks and scratches. We'll come along back to the driver's side. And we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a 3/4 ton pickup with the ability to seat 5, a good amount of space in the bed with a spray-in bed liner, rear proximity sensors, a pre-installed tow bar, backup camera, vinyl bed cover, black running boards, heated mirrors, a blind spot monitor, smartphone integration, all-weather floor mats, a built-in garage door opener, fog lights, tow hooks, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. Or you can give us a call at 485-4224. You can also check out this 3/4 ton crew pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.